Millets, what is it? This question was very common a few years back, but not anymore. Today, millions of Indians understand and enjoy millets in various forms, right from millet rice, flour, and yes, even noodles. In fact, India is one of the largest producers of millets in the world, harvesting over 11 million tons every year. So, how exactly does millets actually help in your weight loss journey? Whole millets and the millet flour are naturally gluten-free sources and are high in fiber, thus keeping our stomach fuller and longer duration of time. This helps in shedding the extra kilos without compromising on nutrition. Here are the 5 types of millets that you can include in your diet when you're trying to lose weight. Number 1. RAGI. RAGI or finger millet is known for its highest calcium content. Also rich in iron, protein and fiber, it takes more amount of time to get digested in the stomach and as a result, it keeps you fuller for a longer time. Number 2. BAJRA. This millet is exceptionally low in calories and one of the best choices of grain when your aim is to shed kilos. Its high fiber again keeps you full without increasing your daily calorie count. Number 3. JOWAR. This high vitamin B content grain helps to boost metabolism and also improves bone and heart health, thus aiding in weight management. Number 4. FOXTAIL millet. These are again rich in complex carbohydrates, making it good food option for people trying to lose weight. Number 5. Amaranth. Amaranth or Rajgira, as it is popularly known in India, is high in protein and fiber, helping to build muscles and maintaining a good gut health. Okay, so now that you know millets are awesome for you, how do you use them to include in your daily diet? Here are 6 ways in which you can include millets in your daily diet. Number 1. Flour. Millet flour can replace basic wheat or rice flour and can be used to make chapatis. Almost all millets can be used or a mix of them can be used to make rotis. Number 2. Semolina or rava version. Millets can replace rava in upma, handwa, appam, dosa, idlis and pongals. Any millet can be used in this. Number 3. Rice or pulao. Most whole millets can be cooked just like rice. You can make a pulao too by adding colorful veggies. Millets like foxtail, kodo, proso are ideal for making rice or pulao. Number 4. Khichidi or pongal. Rice and dal make a good combination in khichidi. So replacing rice with millets does not make a big difference in taste, but a world of difference in the nutritional profile. Millets like bajra, jowar, kodo are ideal for making khichdi. Number 5. Salads. You can make a variety of salads along with an array of vegetables to increase the nutritional value. Just a dash of lime and you are in for a tasty treat. Millets like foxtail, kodo and proso are ideal for making salads. Number 6. Millet porridge. You can make a variety of millet porridge and add it to milk and have them. Millets like ragi, jowar or bajra are ideal to make porridge. Please note these are just guidelines and it is always good to take advice from your doctor or nutritionist for a more customized meal plan. I have shared some additional reference articles below for a deeper understanding on how millets help in weight loss. Share below in the comments section which millets do you use regularly and how do you use it. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is Priya Prakash, founder of Naturally Yours, signing off.